How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax Coco, and today I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough of this beautiful pre-owned 2024 Sea Ray 280 SLX. This is one of my favorite boats that Sea Ray makes. It is in marvelous condition. You've got a white hull color, black rub rail with stainless steel insert here. This boat is bottom painted. It is ready to take on the water in the Indian River. It is Sirius capable. It's got the VHF antenna there, and we are rocking with twin 250 Mercury white motors with joystick. Let's check out the inside of this boat real quick. All right, guys, here on the inside of this 280 SLX, you've got this massive sun pad right here. Perfect for soaking up the sun on the back of the boat. You do have a head unit back here, so you can change your songs, increase the volume, stuff like that. You've got your wash down back here and plugs, plenty of cup holders, and a nice size swim platform back there. You do have the sea deck all throughout the boat, which looks really nice. Here in the cockpit, you got your table there. Really nice cushions, plenty of storage underneath everything. You do have the LED package in this boat, so you've got the color changing lights all throughout the back. Above us right here, we've got our power tower. It is electric, lowering and raising, and it extends out to cover up the sun pad on the back. Really nice tower. You do have some Fusion speakers, and let me tell you, this boat booms. You got your side table here, some storage in there. Cup holders, wireless phone charger, right here under the captain's chair. You've got a drawer cooler. Stays nice and cool for all your beverages. Moving up here, co-captain's chair with bolster. Head compartment. It's a really nice and spacious head. Right here at our captain's chair, you've got the very huge captain's chair right here with a bolster seat. Super comfortable, easily fit two people right here. And at your helm, dual Simrad MFDs, looks really pretty. Flush Fusion audio head unit, Simrad, all your toggle switches, and digital throttle with your magical joystick right there. Up to the bow of this boat, you've got more super luxurious seating up here, armrests, plenty of room. It does come with a filler cushion as well, and a bow table. It's a really nice bow. You've got your windlass up here with a cleat, as well as another washdown station up here. This is a beautiful boat, guys. It is available right now. If you'd like to come and take a look at this boat or have any questions about it, it's available here at MarineMax Coco, or you can give us a call at 321-636-3142. Thank you, guys.